Patio doors play an essential role in Glendale homes, offering beautiful outdoor views, natural light, and easy access to patios, backyards, and pool areas. But even the highest quality patio door cannot perform at its best without proper installation. A poorly installed door can cause drafts, energy loss, sticking, warping, or even security risks, especially in Glendale's hot, dry climate. That's why professional installation is key to maximizing patio door performance, longevity, and overall value. Here's how expert installation makes a dramatic difference in the everyday functionality and long-term durability of patio doors in Glendale homes. Ensuring a precise fit for smooth operation. Patio doors must fit perfectly within their frame to operate smoothly. Even small installation errors can cause the door to drag, stick, or come off its track. Glendale's temperature fluctuations can make poorly installed doors expand and contract, worsening the issue over time. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements before installation level and plumb framing, correct alignment of tracks, rollers, and panels, seamless gliding or swinging motion. A precise fit not only improves performance but also extends the life of the door by reducing wear on its hardware. Enhancing energy efficiency to withstand Glendale's climate. Glendale homeowners experience intense summer heat, which means energy efficiency is a top priority. A patio door that isn't sealed correctly can allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, increasing your energy bills and reducing indoor comfort. Professional installation helps ensure tight weather stripping, proper insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air leaks, correct adjustment of glass panels for thermal efficiency. This attention to detail helps you maintain a comfortable home temperature without overworking your HVAC system. Preventing water and dust infiltration. Glendale's desert environment brings dust, wind, and occasional monsoon moisture. A patio door that is not installed properly can become an entry point for dust buildup, water leaks, and debris, leading to interior damage and air quality issues. Expert installers protect your home by installing flashing and barriers to prevent moisture intrusion, ensuring door thresholds fit tightly and securely, using high-performance sealants suitable for Arizona climates. These precautions reduce the risk of long-term structural damage and help keep your home clean and healthy. Improving security with proper reinforcement. Patio doors are popular entry points for intruders because they often feature large glass panels and movable sections. A poorly installed door may not lock properly or may have gaps that weaken your home's security. Professional installation ensures proper alignment of locking mechanisms, reinforced frames and hardware, secure anchoring into surrounding walls, smooth, reliable door closure. With correct installation, you gain peace of mind knowing your patio door is secure and functioning as intended. Maximizing longevity and reducing repairs. Patio doors must withstand daily use, weather exposure, and temperature fluctuations. Poor installation accelerates wear and tear, leading to frequent adjustments or premature replacement. Expert installers help extend your patio door's life by ensuring hardware operates correctly, reducing strain on rollers and hinges, preventing warping or misalignment, identifying potential problems before installation is complete. A well-installed patio door requires less maintenance and remains reliable for many years. Maintaining warranty protection. Many patio door manufacturers require professional installation to keep the warranty valid. De-installation or hiring an inexperienced contractor might void your warranty, leaving you without protection if issues arise later. Professional installation ensures compliance with warranty requirements, higher quality workmanship, proper documentation for manufacturer support. This protects your investment and ensures long-term coverage. A seamless, high-performance patio door starts with expert installation. For Glendale homeowners, professional installation is essential for getting the most out of your patio doors. From improved energy efficiency and enhanced security to smoother operation and longer lifespan, expert installation delivers benefits that directly impact your comfort and home value. If you want your patio door to perform beautifully for years to come, trust experienced installers who understand Glendale's climate, building styles, and homeowner needs.